Ibrahim, he's asking Allah when Judgment Day comes, don't humiliate me on Judgment Day. وَلَا تُخْزِنِي يَوْمَ يُبْعَثُونَ يَوْمَ لَا يَنْفَعُ مَالٌ وَلَا بَنُونَ. The day on which money and sons, children, will have no benefit. Think about this carefully. His father makes money. That money is no good. And that his father has a son, Ibrahim. And now imagine, our entire religion. You're sitting in this audience today, I'm sharing something from Quran with you. This Quran came to Rasulullah ﷺ because of the dua of who? Ibrahim ﷺ. Every time we make a salah, every time somebody prays towards the Kaaba, every time somebody says Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, every one of the acts of worship done in Islam, who gets sadaqah jariyah? Ibrahim ﷺ. You know, one of the best sadaqah jariyah you can leave behind is your child. Imagine if you were lucky enough that your child is Ibrahim ﷺ. You would be the wealthiest human being on Judgment Day. And yet his father cannot benefit from having Ibrahim as his son. Can you think about that? His son is Ibrahim ﷺ, and it does him no good on Judgment Day. Why not? Ibrahim explains, nothing good will come to you of your children, even if your child is who? Ibrahim himself. Why not? إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ, with the exception of the one who comes before Allah with a sound, healthy heart, a calm heart, a heart at ease. Why? Allah is telling us, just because your kids are good, is not your ticket to Jannah. Your son memorized Quran, not your ticket to Jannah. Where's your heart? If your heart is good, then their deeds will help you. If your heart is no good, then their deeds are no good. Not for you. They might benefit them, they won't benefit you. You can't take their deeds. The heart is what matters at the end of the day. إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. What is this qalb salim? Somebody who's calm, easy, relaxed, not depressed, not sad. The only concerns they have are for the akhirah. Whatever happens in dunya, it's okay. If I get sick, He'll heal me. If I don't have food, He'll give me food. Even if I die, He'll bring me back to life anyway. No big deal. He's at ease about what happens in this life. This is qalbun salim in this life. Ibrahim is about to be thrown into a fire. If any one of us was about to walk into a building that's on fire, it would be a little nerve-wracking. Ibrahim a.s. has to slaughter his own son, to put a knife on his son's neck, leave his family in the middle of a desert, and in all of that Allah says, إِذْ جَاءَ رَبَّهُ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. He came before his Rabb with an easy, sound heart. It was okay. My Rabb asked me, I'm okay. That's the level we want to get to. It's not easy to get to that. But if we can get that, we can be comfortable with what Allah says. No matter what difficulty comes our way, we become comfortable with what Allah says, then we can taste the joy of this profound dua.